Hi guys, my name is Pawan and I welcome you all towards my YouTube channel. So guys, today we'll be discussing on all the important current affairs which you're supposed to know while you're preparing for the interview. See guys, I've already uploaded video on which are the upcoming interviews for your Symbiosis as well as for other law schools. So it's very important that as part of your preparation, it is very important for you to know certain important current affairs. As such, it can help you a lot throughout your interview preparation as well as your confidence level will be itself increased while you prepare for all these current affairs in a very well diversified manner. See guys, a general tip which I want to tell you is that, see, regardless of whichever law college you are applying for, you'll be having interview, right? Or some colleges, they just have entrance, it's fine. But if you have an interview, it's very important that you prepare it from the 6-degree viewpoint. Okay, what do you mean by 6-degree viewpoint? Very simple, okay? Don't feel it as much complicated. It's very simple. Any college you go for interview, you have to prepare from 6-degree viewpoint. So now let's understand in very much brief what is it about. Okay, see, after conducting so much mocks, at least I conduct more than 200 plus mocks for students, So after jotting down what are the major areas which an interview asks, plus after getting a clarity on what are the areas which students should focus, I'm just giving out this list for you. Make sure that you write it down and keep on practicing, and trust me, you're going to ace it out. Okay, so now all the questions which I'm going to tell you now, it's have been a proper research is basically done. So as part of that, I'm just telling you out. So let's get started. The first part is about common interview based questions. See, you go to any colleges, in this planet Earth for admission, you're going to have this common interview based questions. Very simple. About self-introduction and about what your strength and weakness. It could also be about mainly about why should we select you? What do you know about this particular aspect and why do you feel that you have very good aptitude for this particular college? These are the kind of questions which they can ask you out. Okay, these are the common interview based questions. Even in common interview based questions, the last question could be of, do you have any questions for me? So these are the one set of common interview based questions. So now if we focus into the next area, that is about campus based questions. See, in campus based questions, what are the questions you're supposed to mainly focus about? Why do you choose for this particular college? What do you know about the vision and mission of our campus? Could you tell me any achievements done by our college? And why should we select you to this particular university? How do you think you can contribute towards our campus? Have you applied to any other college? So these are the campus-based questions. See, now we focused on two areas now. One is common interview-based questions, and the second category is on campus-based questions. So now let's look into the third category kind of questions. That is going to be from your 11th and 12th grade. See, from your 11th and 12th grade, you can expect any kind of questions, For example, if you're from science background, commerce background, something at least from your main core subjects. For example, if it's PCMB, they can ask you from your main core subjects such as from your biology and physics, they can ask some questions. If you're from commerce, if you have been opted like for CAME, that's like commerce, accountancy, max economics, you can get questions from accountancy and from business and economics depending on the interviews. I'm not telling they'll be asking from all the 5 areas, but I'm just telling you these are the areas probably in which what an interviewer can ask you the questions. So be very well prepared with your 11th and 12th grade aspect. You can just focus on your 1 markers and 2 markers. That is more than enough. Okay, so whatever 11th and 12th you have studied, right, just focus in that 1 markers and 2 markers. Trust me, you're going to ace it out. Okay, so the next category which comes is about focus in your course related questions. See, course related questions, I feel very time shock, because once I conducted mock interview, I just asked a question, why you have been opted for this particular course? Even you will also be shocked. The student said that we'll be getting more money. That's the reason I've just opted for this particular course. Never tell about, your depth research about the course is very important. You must know what are the areas which is focusing in that particular course. For example, if it is law, right? Law, why in specific we should choose law, and what are the benefits for you? What are the areas you can practice out? What are the different fields in law? How do you think you must at least know the basics of every field, so that you get any question, you'll be able to answer it. So when you answer such kind of question, even interviewers feel that, okay, this kid has a very good diversified knowledge as well as a proper understanding about his goal. That goal orientedness we can identify. And basically from the aspect about when we ask in particular about the factors about why you have been opted for this particular course. So remember and prepare very well course related questions. Okay, so make sure that just have a small Google research, understand the different fields of law, common law system, continental law system, whatever, different kinds of law system, how law plays a very important role in a country, what is law according to you, what is justice according to you. These are the next set of questions which you are supposed to focus. Let this go very deep inside your head. These are the questions which you're next supposed to focus. And the next category of questions which are supposed to give importance is about your current affairs. See guys, current affairs is very important. Trust me, current affairs preparation is very important. Okay, current affairs, you can get any kind of question from any angle, from any part of the world, any kind of questions. So what you're supposed to do, just know the important topics. I'll be putting up tomorrow videos about current affairs, so you don't need to worry on it. I'll be uploading a video about current affairs, important current affairs, which you need to focus. See, if you just look into my playlist now, I've just updated all the important current affairs, especially for Christ, for Symbiosis. I've just already uploaded on it. You can also refer on those kind of videos, regardless whether you're applying for Christ or Symbiosis, regardless whatever aspect. If you're applying for any law college, you can refer those kind of important questions. Got it? So now what I want to tell you here, in current affairs, whenever you prepare from 4-degree viewpoint. Okay, what is it about? When any topic is given, understand it from 4-degree viewpoint. Understand its advantages, disadvantages, your view, solution. Very simple. Okay, advantages, disadvantages, your view and solution. Some topic there wouldn't be any kind of advantages. Check it out. Focus on the disadvantages, a general concept understanding, your view, solution. See, as interviewers, what they try to mainly ask is about your view in certain kind of events and what do you think, is it right or wrong. See, whenever you're telling the answer, you should not be in extreme right supporting towards it or extreme left. That's the reason whenever you prepare from this 4-degree viewpoints, or you will be able to perform very well and very effectively. Okay, so the next category of question which you can expect is mainly about, very simple, listen carefully, it could be about your skills and hobbies. Okay, your skills, they may ask you what are your skills, what are your hobbies you possess. So if you're telling you have very good public speaking skills, then they'll ask you about, tell me which are the events you have done in terms of public speaking, how many competitions you have participated. So if you've not participated, don't bluff over there. Okay, let this go very deep inside your head. Please don't bluff in an interview. So let this go very straight. So now, as many interviews are just lining up for many law colleges, that's the reason I'm just uploading this video. Make sure that you practice continuously, okay? Very carefully, practice continuously. Practice in front of the mirror. These are the 6 areas you're supposed to focus. So let me just quickly summarize. First, we discussed about common interview-based questions. Second one, we discussed about campus-based questions. Third one, we mainly discussed about 11th and 12th grade portions, right? And the fourth one is about the course. Why in specific you want to choose this course and those kind of questions. You'll be getting more kind of questions about it. For example, what is law, what is justice, and next kind of questions which we discussed could be on the current affairs. Current affairs, I said, remember always the four method approach, what you're supposed to do. It's about mainly about advantages, disadvantages, your views, and then you can tell out your solutions. And when you tell out from all this angle, interviews will be really impressed it. So that's the reason I'm telling, don't go from extreme right to extreme left supporting towards it. For example, if I'm an interviewer and if I'm against a particular law, and if you say that you like it, see there it creates some kind of bias and it can affect your marking system. Okay, and the next important type of question which you're supposed to focus is about your skills and hobbies. This is the 6th category. Know about hobbies, skills, why you like that particular skill, what are your hobbies, why do you think this hobby really fits for you, and who is basically inspired you in this particular hobby. So you can get more kind of questions in that perspective. So these are the 6-degree viewpoint on how you need to prepare for any kind of law college interview. Make sure that you prepare in such a way, trust me, you're going to ace it out. And if you want me to make any videos in specific for any particular college, just drop below, like in the comment box, just type your college name, whichever college you want to upload a video. I shall surely do it, and then I shall surely help you out. So just be free to ask me any doubts and I'll be glad to help you out. Wishing you all the best, wonderful day, goodbye. And guys, one more thing I want to tell you, if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. See, because if you just support me constantly, I shall surely upload many videos, and trust me, I'm going to help you out throughout your law school. I'll make your life very peaceful. I was just a little joking. So whatever kind of help you want from me, just be free to ask. And then I want to tell you, very important, please do practice more mock interviews. I conduct mock interviews for different law colleges, So any law college mock interview you want, just get in touch with me. Even if you want a personal guidance sessions, get in touch with me. I've provided all the details in my below playlist, in the description. You'll get out all the details over there. And even I've provided my email and Insta ID. So just get in touch with me. I shall be surely there to help you out. Wishing you all the best. Wish you a wonderful day. Goodbye, guys.